Hello guys and girls and fellow pyromaniacs, and today how to clean the glass on a wood burning stove. If you find this useful, please subscribe. So we want the glass to be looking like this, absolutely see-through, spick and span. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some hob cleaner, oven hob cleaner, or any kind of hob cleaner. It's normally like a creamy substance. You're going to need a kitchen towel and you're going to need some warm to hot water. Right, let's get started. So this is my wood burning stove and the glass has got pretty black inside. What happens is it goes black if you're burning wood that's a little bit damp or a bit wet, and it just puts a sooty film on the glass. So take your oven hob cleaner. So you can see I've hoovered this one out already inside. Take your kitchen towel, just fold it over into a little square. Take your oven hob cleaner, give it a good old shake, and just have a little squirt onto the kitchen towel. And then literally just start scrubbing round and round, up and down. And you'll notice on the kitchen towel it starts to get very, very dirty very quick as it's picking up all the soot. And this is really good, this oven hob cleaner. And if you use the kitchen towel, obviously you won't scratch the glass, because the last thing you want to do is scratch the glass. I mean, never, oh hello, you'll never ever use wire wool or anything like that which is likely to scratch the glass, because once you scratch that glass, then that is game over. So this oven hob cleaner, bit of warm to hot water on the kitchen towel, and just keep rubbing. Basically just a bit of elbow grease, just get stuck in there, son and daughter and blah. So just keep rubbing. You probably need 2 or 3 kitchen towels, so just once it gets really black, just replace it with a new one. And if you need to, just squirt a bit more oven hob cleaner on there. Should take probably 2 to 3 minutes of scrubbing. As you can see, it's already getting cleaner. So just a bit of hot water on a fresh kitchen towel, not too much. Once you've got the oven hob cleaner on there, it's you shouldn't need too much of it, just a bit of warm water you can carry on. Right, look at that. Ding dong. That is a clean bit of glass, my friends. Lovely jubbly. That is absolutely superb. Really, really nice. That probably took me 3 or 4 minutes, I guess, and it's a really nice finish. No scratching on the glass at all. So as I say, you need your oven hob cleaner, hot to warm water, and just kitchen towel. Right, let's start the fire.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. You're the fire starter, twisted fire starter.
And that glass is absolutely spick and span. Brilliant. I tend to do mine once a week. I mean, they say you don't have to do it that often, but if you're going to start a new fire, then it's nice to have clean glass. I mean, that just looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm hoping that tip has helped somebody out there, because I know there's lots of other ways of doing it. I mean, the other way I think is to scrunch up old newspaper, make that a little bit wet and rub that on the glass. I think that also works. But I've found in my experience this oven hob cleaner, just some wet kitchen towels, is the best that I've found, and it's really, really effective. So hopefully that's helped somebody out there who's got a wood burning stove. And that is the end, and thanks for watching. And also please subscribe, because with YouTube's new rules, I really would like to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thanks very much, guys and girls and fellow pyromaniacs. Thanks for watching again.